Hi, Patrick. This is Samuel Cortez, your professor. I just wanted to walk you through the process to get to the quiz. I am sorry I misled you. I misspoke. It actually, the menu is actually on the left hand side, not on the right hand side. My apologies for that. So anyway, when you sign into onto Blackboard and get to the course, this is what you're going to see. You usually see the home page. To your left, you have the menu that I was talking about. There's the two ways you can get to the quiz. One is by hitting the learning modules. As you can see, the learning modules are set up in when you have the 4 different weeks. The first week is this one. So anyway, this is set up for you to go through each one of the modules before you get to the assignments and so on. I'm not sure if you have already navigated through this, but so you can want to see chapter 1. You can go to the lecture. It will open up to the actual lecture. And like I say, I can show you the entire way the page, but it doesn't cut off like that on the real page. So anyway, so you can see the lectures and so on. But so it's set up for you to go through each of the modules. You can skip modules and so on by clicking on the arrow like I'm doing so. Right. So again, this is sort of like the longest way to go through because you like say you have to go through each of the lectures and so on until you get to the assignments. Okay. Now, so the shorter way that I wanted to so you can go directly to the quiz is to go back to the menu, all right, and click assessments. See, like I'm clicking right here. So click assessments, and that will actually take you right to the quizzes, right? So here's you're gonna see for quiz number 1, which is the one that you are looking for, you'll see a map. A map will pop up. Again, if you want me to, I have them on PDF. I can put a version on Word as well. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and email you the Word version of all those maps, right? So you can see the map. The maps have numbers in them, right? There's still one for North America and one for Latin America. The one that is due tonight is map quiz number 1, which is North America and Latin America. So once you see this, then you're gonna go ahead and click on map quiz number 1, just like I'm doing right here. You're gonna click on that, right? And here's where the quiz starts. So you have the maps. I don't know, you can print them out or whichever is easier for you to be able to see them sideways or like I say. So what you do then is, and I'm gonna have to move the square over here, right? So to start the quiz, you're gonna click right here where it says begin. You're gonna click on that. Like I said, I have a limited screen that I can show you everything. And so it's gonna start timing it. You have unlimited times you can use it. It gives you a full hour. And you're gonna see down at the bottom, you're gonna see the different the matching. So you basically will see, question number 1 or number 1. So on the map, you're going to look at number 1, and then you're going to tell me which country that is. You're going to look at the letters on the right, okay, and country or state like the North America and Canada and the United States I have states and provinces. So the first one is going to be a state in the United States. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to put the respective number for number 1 on the map. All right. So anyway, so once you complete that, like say you have full hour to do it, and you can do it unlimited number of times, then you're gonna hit over to the right, save and submit. And once you've done that, then you'll get the points that are required, that you earn. If you got them all right, you're gonna get 25. And like I say, if you didn't score that well, you can go back and do it all over again. You have a limited number of times you can do them until you get the score that you want. So again, I'm not going to hit save and submit because I'm not submitted. I'm just simply going to get out of it. All right. So anyway, let me know if this works for you, if this is clear enough. Again, otherwise you can call me. I gave you my phone number, area code 805-431-0942. I'm working on all this stuff all day today. And so just let me know, okay? Hope this is a little clearer, so you can go ahead and get your exam done. Thank you. Talk to you later.